Hey guys, wanna know how to cloud save your progress or your game in Asphalt 9? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your Asphalt 9 application, and on the top right here, you can see your settings icon. Just simply press on it. And once you're there is no direct cloud saving option in Asphalt 9. But what you can do is make sure you are on Game Loft Connect right here, and then head towards Connect. And once you've clicked on it, here you can see various other options. So if you are in a guest account and if you want to save it, you can just simply select one of these three. The best option would be to select Google Play Games, as it's easier to log in and play as well. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.